at saka ni The Boy?
Ito lang ha. Ang mapapansin ninyo, kasi tayo, ang pagkakakilala natin kay Senator Jinggoy, tough guy. You know, di yan masyadong humingiti. Serious yan eh. You know? But when you watch this, when you watch here, and ang ganda ng characterization niya. And it's so him. Because even off-camera, Chris, he really is such a teddy bear. Teddy bear siya talagang tawa siya ng tawa,
Very funny.
mahagik-hik, talagang yun at yun siya talaga.
Senator Jinggoy and...
So there's tenderness.
There is
Yun,
tenderness.
I think yun yung makikita natin.
No, what I like about the friendship of sila The Boy, sila Jinggoy, kasi the consistency, alam mo yun, all these years,
Yeah.
ang dami lang pinagdaanan. Longevity. Ang dami lang pinagdaanan, pero solid.
And it's so hard,
Ang dami lang
diba?
pinagdaanan, pero walang nakatibag. Ika ka.
Oo, at lalo na sa negosyo natin. Kasi di ba alam naman natin, minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng mga instances wherein ipinagtatapat tayo, na pinagsasabong tayo.
No, it is a business of egos. It is a
Yeah,
business
of ego. So,
diba?
to be able to cultivate friendships and make friendships last,
It's
it's
heartwarming.
very hard, and it's heartwarming to know and to see.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you very much for all